Hello everyone, today I'll be discussing the emissions pathway for NSW and challenges we face in achieving net zero emissions by 2050. So this graph highlights the different future scenarios. For example, the orange line shows the emissions path under the current policies, where emissions are around 115 in 2030 and 60 in 2050. So to achieve net zero emissions by 2050, as the yellow line, emissions will need to fall to around 20, and this requires stronger policies. So this concert is under the SDGs target 30.1, calls on governments to strengthen resilience. And my target audience is to Mr. Anderson Lin, the Secretary of the Department of Climate Change, Energy and Environment and Water of NSWs. And now I want to focus on the industrial emissions. In 2019, the industrial sector was responsible for 31% of Australia's total emissions, which is about 162 million tons. And if we don't take strong action on industrial emissions by 2020, achieving net zero by 2050 will become even more challenging. And this chart shows that the 2030 projections for the industrial sector leave an enormous challenge for 2 decades to 2050, and emissions will need to fall by 8 per year to reach net zero. So what's more, the fossil fuel extraction dominates the industrial emissions. The gas, oil, and coal extraction and oil refining together accounted for more than half of Australia's industrial emissions in 2019 and have grown by more than 50% since 2005. So my call to action to Mr. Lin is to reduce industrial emissions caused by natural gas use and coal mining through electrification. So first, for natural gas, the specific measure is to promote electrification and support heat pump technology. So the heat pump can efficiently provide heating, therefore reduce the demand for natural gas in heating. And additionally, in 2021, nearly 30% of Australia's electricity came from wind, water, and solar power. So this rapid growth in renewable energy makes heat pump technology a cleaner and more sustainable solution for the future. And for the Mr. Lin, this measure is crucial because electrification can prevent harmful substance from natural gas extraction. And secondly, for the coal development, we can promote electrification of mining vehicles and equipment, such as increasing use of battery electric truck for the underground mining. So this truck required battery capacity not exceeding 500 kilowatt hour, and reducing the use of fossil diesel is an important measure to advance emissions reduction targets for the open pit coal mining, and this will help support the NSW emissions reduction goals. Here are my references. Thank you for listening.